they put in the mouth.
dummy.
Dummy?
Dummy.
Tommy Hilfiger.
Well, hello and welcome back. Thanks for coming back. I know what you want to see. That blue Mediterranean Sea. So let's go and have a good look at it. It's a spectacular evening in downtown Kato Paphos. If you're wondering where we are, look at that. That is the blueness of the blue Mediterranean Sea. That sea is looking blue, and that sky is looking blue. Mr. Paul is dressed absolutely head to toe in blue. So that must mean that all that's missing is...
All is missing is you, our dearest family. So get yourself on a big boat or a canoe and start paddling like crazy. That's because we all are waiting for you. How long we've been waiting for you? Please come back. What happened to my hello everybody? Hello everybody. How long? Oh, how
You've
long?
forgotten the text.
I'm talking about everything along. How nice. I forgot. Sorry. Let me start again.
Go on then.
Hello everybody. It's a special one. How nice to see you again and again. You see, we are two idiots in the island of love. No edit, no nothing. As we issue it as it goes, and let it go, let it be, let it be. You know, Beatles. Let it be.
There we are. The singing, the dancing, the professorising, princessorising with Sochin Gracili
I'm a
Alabouf.
princess.
You've always been a princess to me, Gracili Alabouf.
Don't make me a queen because I
No,
will feel
queen's a
myself.
downgrade.
I know.
It is indeed. Queens have to do all sorts of things, don't they? Princesses, they're treated that little bit better. And there's one or two princesses in our lives as well. If your name is Princess Kaylee, a very, very good evening to you. If your name is Princess Dali, a very, very good evening to you. Superstars on the little channel known as Marika and me.
Girls, behave yourselves. Come back healthy. Come back nicey. Come back lovey-dovey, and we will love you forever. Because once we've known you, we will never forget about you.
That's true. We're on the downtown Kato Paphos promenade. I'm not sure which way we're going to go. Let's find out from Gracili.
Left or right? Okay.
I think we'll go right.
How you?
We're going to go that away for a change. We'll go up and see some of the shops at the end of the actual promenade area. This is the Harbour Restaurant. Now that's a superstar there. Of course, his name is Mr. Tito. And there you can see him, all dressed with a nice blue tie. And he's a legend. You're right, Tito?
Nice to see you.
You doing well?
My ketchup in there now.
He's busy, he's busy. He's getting ready for a very, very busy evening indeed. His job is to fill that restaurant. And while you're there, his job is to make sure that you have a great experience. A great drink or a great meal. That's the point of it, isn't it? When you come to Harbour on a holiday, you want to get a great meal and a great drink. We're on the side streets and we're heading up on the road. If you were to keep going over the roundabout at the end here, you'd keep going to the Paphos Mall. Yes, that's right. So if you were walking from the promenade area here, it would take you 10 to 15 minutes to get to the Mall. So if you want some air-conditioned luxury, that could be the place to go. But if you want a little bit of air-conditioned luxury just before you get to the Mall, well, there's a shop just here, and it's called the Elysee Collection. We've featured it before, so if you go and Google it, Marika and me Elysee Collection, up will come that video, and it's a shop that sells shoes and handbags and clothes. And just to keep us men happy, he sells the odd pair of blue shoes as well. There it is, the Elysee Collection, and this shop is waiting especially for you. But not today, because it's actually closed. Look at that, the sadness on Gracili Alabouf's face.
Sadness. I thought I would buy a couple of things today, but it's not my luck. Let's go in another shop. Or maybe let's not go to the shop.
Oh my goodness. Boys, out in Cardiff, Lord Jeremy, Lord Simon, if I was you, I would be very, very worried indeed.
I would say in this shop, all the collection is so beautiful. They are individual, they are unusual, and you can't see in other shops in this area.
So, there you go. That's justification in itself. So if you want to go and take Gracili Alabouf shopping, well, whether you want it or not, guess what? Lord Jeremy, Lord Simon, you're taking it. she's already booked that special excursion with you in November, in and around the Mall and in one or two of the boutiques. And there's a lot of things waiting especially for you. We're going to keep on going round and we're going to go and have a look at the Basilica Resort. So if that's the place that you're going to stay, if your name is Deborah O'Rourke, perhaps your name is Miss Tracy, guess what? We're going to wiggle and waggle that tree almost up head off there, but we're going to keep going. And well, there's more shops, by the way. Look at this, is the Borsa Bella, and it's an upmarket gift shop, and it sits on the cusp of the corner as you start to filter around. If you want something special, well, that could be that shop for you.
It's how to say, this shop is oriented on the tourists. They've got everything you need, from the swimwear, from even the needle. Or
I'm not sure if they sell needles, but they sell swimwear, beach bags, suitcases, things to go on the beach, and robes, and of course,
I'm sure if you need one you can find.
Probably, if you ask
and
them
the
very,
hats
very
and
nicely.
The suitcases, oh dear, towels, beautiful
Towels, all sorts of things, yeah. So if you're looking for flip-flops, for example, this could be the shop for you. And after that, you've got the April shop. So if your name is Lady, oh, so sweet Caroline, that could be the place for you. I can imagine you prancing your stuff down the Kato Paphos promenade in a pair of pink boots. Look at those. Aren't they very, very nice indeed? There you go, Lord Big Guns. That could be a little gift to buy for the, well, she was a duchess, but now she's a lady, because lady sounds so much better than duchess.
They're beautiful, by the way. They are boots, but so colourful, summerish colour. Beautiful.
They are indeed. Let's keep going. People have asked about the roadworks in this area, because of course if you're checking into the Basilica Receipts, or perhaps seats, no, resort, there we are, confusing my English. You want to know, can you get to the resort? Well, you can. You can drive to the resort and you can walk to the resort, and you can actually walk it the right way or the wrong way down this nice little bit of scruffy tarmac. It's waiting for its second coating, and then the pavements will all be reinstated. They're saying about a month, but at the moment, of course, there is access, which there hasn't been for quite a few months. So if you're booking into this hotel, at least now, you can get right up to the front door, and at least you can walk in and perhaps say hello, Kalimera, to the superstar in charge of the restaurant. And of course his name is Paphos, and it's a great restaurant indeed. Come on, Chrissy, let's go and have a look.
Sometimes off this time of the day.
Let's go and have a look. Let's follow the rear end of the most beautiful woman in the world, and we'll take you and see what's going on. This is the Basilica Resort Bar and Restaurant, and there's plenty of food in here to eat, that's for sure. Look at that, there's the chef serving the food. What's over here? Ooh, what can we steal, Grazini? Look at that, there's cakes, there's chocolates, there's all sorts going on. There's even soup, by the way. And if you want a crouton, there could be a crouton in there waiting especially for you. Ooh, look at that, sushi. I know someone who likes a bit of sushi. This chap's saying it's very, very good food indeed. And guess what? We come here quite often, and it is very, very good food. Receiving the booth has been accosted live on camera. There we are.
Hello and hello again.
Oh, nice to see
Mr.
you.
Paul.
What's your name?
Yvonne.
Yvonne. And?
Bob.
Bob.
Pleased to meet you.
Where are you from?
We're from Derbyshire. Bakewell.
Derbyshire. Bakewell. There we are.
Bakewell in Derbyshire.
Make a good tart in Bakewell.
Came out.
Thank you very much. We're humble. Are you staying here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And?
So,
Good?
lovely.
Yes.
Really,
That's what we
really
like to hear.
lovely.
And they're looking after you well.
Fantastic.
There we are. Is Paphos on tonight? I don't think he is it? It's a different manager.
No, it's
It's a
probably
different
day
manager. How long are you here for?
We got home on Monday.
So have you been here a week or 2 weeks?
just a week.
Just a week. And you're going to come again?
Oh, definitely.
Have you stayed here before?
No.
No. But you've been to Paphos before?
No.
No.
I've been to Crete several times.
So it's similar.
Similar.
Yeah, similar.
This-
The roads are just as bad, as I
So
said.
you
Yeah,
drive
the roads
through
are
them
just
the
as
other
bad.
day.
Lovely. Lovely to meet you, Yvonne.
Yes, we watched your diggering about the one about the diggering out the front.
It's still a bit,
Yeah, it's still a bit, but
But at least you can walk
didn't
it.
put us off.
no.
That was all.
These things, unfortunately, have to go on. Wherever we're from. Bakewell,
Progress.
Manchester, Chester,
Progress.
Paphos, it's the way it
And
works.
when we come back next time, I'm sure it'll be all
It'll be
fixed.
perfect. Thank you very much, Bob.
You're welcome.
And thank you, Yvonne. And have a great evening indeed. Thanks, Bob. Thanks.
See you.
Absolute superstars in the downtown Kato Paphos harbour area. This is the Basilica Resort. It's a great resort, by the way. Hold on a minute. We've been accosted by this man before. You all right? How you doing? You all right? Yeah. I knew the voice. How you doing, Blue Eyes? You good? Are you having a good meal?
Yeah.
Are you staying here?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't realise you were staying here. I thought you were staying somewhere else.
No.
So, have you been here before?
Yeah, since 2016.
Right, that's the last time you came here.
No. Every year since.
Oh, every year since 2016. Right.
One year we came 3 times. So.
And this is where you always stay?
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot of people come here, and a lot of people say it's good.
Yeah, absolutely.
We think the restaurant's good.
Not fair if you've been in the restaurant.
I'm going to go and steal something now.
You want to see the sushi?
I know, spotted it.
Yeah. Absolutely amazing. Honestly.
Are you going to come down the harbour afterwards? There she is. We'll go and drag her over. Grisivi, do you recognise these people? Oh, have a look at that. There we are.
Let people eat. Let people eat.
You are, but I just said you're stalking us now.
We are stalking you.
Oh, we're stalking you.
How are you? You having a good day?
Yes, we are.
Yeah.
Grisivi, there's something in there waiting especially for you.
Sushi. If you want to see
Sushi.
it, go and have a look.
Am I going to thieving now?
I think we're going to go and steal a piece.
Oh dear.
think so.
How am I going? Well, at least switch off the camera because I don't
We
want.
call it hospitality. It's not stealing.
We'll see a bit later. We're going to go and steal a bit of sushi. Let's go and steal a bit of sushi or two. Why not? Say, come on, Grisivi Abu. Here we are, live on camera, back into the main restaurant area. This is the Basilica Restaurant, and just over here is that little bit of sushi waiting, especially for Grisivi and the booth. Go on, Grisivi, which one do you want? Come on, we'll get caught, hurry up. That's it. You steal that one, and I'll steal that one there. There we go.
Oh, you don't love sushi.
Yeah, put a little bit of sauce on it for me. Come on, come on. There we are. That's it, right, come on. Let's do a runner. Oh, one minute.
Mr. Paul, I have to steal one more.
Go on then, off you go. Back. Quick. Before this rubber side. You're not as fast as me, are you, Grisivi Booth? Come on.
No, I'm not.
Pop it in your mouth and let's get out before the throw us out.
See?
That's it. Live sushi eating in downtown Kato. Hold on a minute. Have you seen
Go
them?
away now.
Look at that. We'll have 2 of them. Right, we're off. That's it. Thanks very much, Basilica Resort. We'll be coming back again. That's lovely. What did you think?
My dream just have come true and I gave a birth.
I'll start talking in a minute, I promise you. Hold on. Well, you're going the wrong way, Grisivi Booth. Oh my goodness. That's it. We're off back to the harbour.
Look, Mr. Paul, I've got a spring roll.
There we are. Live spring roll eating outside Papua Antonia Supermarket. Across the road is the Basilica Resort. And guess what? There's no problem with getting to it. And as you notice, live on camera, 4 family members, yes, who don't even know each other, sitting on separate tables. Absolutely amazing, isn't it? And they all said that the Basilica Resort is a fabulous place indeed. So, on that note, why don't click through to our About page where you could consider to buy us a coffee or two. The Buy Me a Coffee platform, totally secure. Hook up your little plastic friend, buy us a latte or 2, I'll have one with 1 sugar, and I'll drink it especially for you. Big shout out to some of the stars who like to watch the show now and again. The girl in charge, of course, Dayman.
Also, dearest Caroline, Mr. Nigel, we had a lovely meal in the sushi restaurant. How you call it? Orchid?
We did indeed, yes. It was the Orchid in the Alexander the Great.
I must say this sushi was no better. If anything, when you're hungry, depending how hungry you are, and I was beautiful. I really enjoyed the sauce, and I really enjoy that very sort of sushis. I don't really eat sushi. When I say I want to eat sushi, I don't.
There's some
eat
people
sushi
waving
like
in the
a-
background just over there. They're obviously our Marika and me fans. We're going to
Go and
cost
see
them.
them.
We're going to cost them live on camera. Come on, stick with us. We were going to click off, but now I'm going to eat that especially for you. And Grisivi Booth, they're running now. They're running away now. Look at that. We're going to go and chase them down. They're really, really sorry that they started waving. Come on, Grisivi. Let's go and say hello to these guys. Now they're thinking, oh my God, why did I start waving to these people? There we are. All get together, all get together. There we are, look at them, superstars.
Watch the videos.
I've got a greasy hand. But good to see you, Zach. All right?
Yeah.
Good to see you. Good to see you. And good to see you. Lovely. You look stunning, by the way. Christina Booth will wear that, and that. I'll have those shorts. Oh, blue shoes. And I'll have your blue shoes. Thanks for being stars. Thank you very, very much. Have a great, great holiday.
Be careful when you hang it on a balcony. He's going to come and steal your blue.
I am going to steal them blue shorts. Thanks for watching us. If you like what you see, hit that like, click that subscribe. Perhaps come back for a little bit more of our madness. We're just down from the Basilica Resort. If you're curious to know where it is, that's the beauty known as Christina Booth. That's the harbour roundabout. If you take a left, you go straight down to the harbour and the promenade. And if you want to see the harbour, well, don't forget to come back
people,
that little bit later.
How brave people, how luxury people, full of love in the heart. We would love to tell you that become more and more. We're loving you to bits, kissing you and greeting you from the bottom of our two hearts. Thank you for accosting, for your lovely replies, for your kindness heart. We cannot forget anybody of you once we met you. Thank you again and again, and many
thanks for watching, and of course we'll see you again very, very soon indeed. It's the dancing, the prancing, often singing. If I'm lucky, there could be some romancing. Thanks for watching.
You know, Mr. Paul, switch off camera. I'm gonna steal one more sushi there.
We're going back for some more sushi off camera. There she goes. She's prancing and she's doing a runner. That's for sure. See you again very, very soon.